Hi everyone, this is Ella OTL. Today we are going to make chocolate truffles. For ingredients, you need 227 grams or 8 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate. Chop it well so it can melt evenly. You also need a half cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To coat the truffles, you can use cocoa powder to keep things simple, or you can use finely chopped coconut, walnut, or almonds. I didn't use it today, but you can also coat it with sprinkles. I poured half-boiled heavy cream over the chocolate. I forgot to add vanilla extract, but this is where you'd add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let it sit for 2 minutes and then start stirring until it's smooth. If you've watched my Bûche de Noël video, this step is probably familiar to you, right? We are doing exactly the same thing and creating ganache. Let your ganache cool in the fridge for at least an hour. Using a measuring spoon, roll the ganache into balls. Roll it in your hands so your body heat can help you form it into a ball. And you can coat it with cocoa powder, finely chopped nuts, or coconut. I usually keep mine in a sealed container in a fridge for up to a week, but it usually disappears pretty quickly. I hope you enjoy making this, and let me know how it was like in the comment below.